Good afternoon, everybody. It's great to be back. I hope everybody has had a great holiday. I know I did. This is Synergy Sports Collectibles Single Box Upper Deck 2017-18 Series 1 box break. We have a single box unopened, as everybody can see, to break, and we will get to it. Let's start with the random. Get that up there like this. Hopefully everybody can see. There we go. All right, now let's take that. Copy. All right, let's get there first. Sorry, I put that down there like that. As you can see, we have everybody in the break, and we use psychicscience.org for our random list generator. Everybody is in there. And we are going to randomize it 3 times to determine the selection. We go 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to copy. And now, we're going to go back here. Sheet number 3. Paste. There we go. Now we're going to go to sheet number 2. Here are all the teams in alphabetical order. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to get a little better at maneuvering this camera. I'm going to copy that. Once again, we're going to go to psychicscience.org. Random list generator. Move the camera again down here so everybody can see. I'm going to start. I'm going to paste. Every team is there in order. Everybody can see that. We're going to randomize it 3 times to determine the order. 1, 2, 3, and that is the order. We're going to match them up with our other list. Copy. Back to spreadsheet, or to sheet number 3. And we're going to paste. Well, let's first of all fix that so everybody can see what's what. There we go. Paste. Okay, I'm going to read off the selections here. We have LVKP 1723 with Colorado, LVKP 1723 with Boston Bruins. We have Cal Sports with Carolina Hurricanes. We have LVKP 1723 with the Philadelphia Flyers. We have Lance Rig with Anaheim Ducks, Lance Rig with the St. Louis Blues, Lance Rig with the San Jose Sharks, Mark_Hockey Central with the Toronto Maple Leafs. We have Lad Cedar with the Tampa Bay Lightning, Mark Hockey Central with the LA Kings, Hockeyman 100, Pittsburgh Penguins, Mark Hockey Central, Buffalo Sabres, Ace Bayou 9, Florida Panthers, Davey Belzy 0, New York Rangers, Lance Rig, the Vegas Golden Knights, Lad Cedar, Detroit Red Wings, David Belzy with the Nashville Predators, Jason 5377, Montreal Canadiens, LVKP 1723 with the Vancouver Canucks, Ace Bayou 9, New York Islanders, Cal Sports with the Arizona Coyotes, Cal Sports, the Minnesota Wild, Cal Sports, Edmonton Oilers, Mark Hockey Central with the Calgary Flames, Morgan Desro, the Columbus Blue Jackets, Curly GWG, Washington Capitals, Mark Hockey Central with the Ottawa Senators, LVKP 1723 with the Winnipeg Jets, Cal Sports with the New Jersey Devils, LVKP 1723 with the Chicago Blackhawks, and Traffic Sex with Dallas Stars. All right, hope everybody got that. Let's turn around and start the break. Good luck, everybody. Oh, really? There we go. Okay. Get that out of the way. Good luck, everybody. Pack number 1. Okay, right off the bat, we hit a big one. We have, for the New Jersey Devils, Young Guns, Nico Hischier. Right off the bat, first pick. First pull. All right. We have a Centennial Standouts, Henrik Sedin, Vancouver Canucks. We have an Upper Deck canvas, Austin Matthews, Toronto Maple Leafs. We have a Young Guns for the Washington Capitals, Riley Barber. We have a canvas, the St. Louis Blues, Alex Pietrangelo. We have a Shining Stars for the Washington Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. Really? Must be a little bugger, isn't it? There we go. Damn, and those packs do that? We have a Centennial Standouts for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. For any of you who have watched a 12-box case break of Series 1, I apologize. That was a nightmare to get through. I suppose I should have had help. So it's a good thing this is only a single box. We have a Young Guns for the Boston Bruins, Charlie McAvoy. We have a Centennial Standouts for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. We have an Upper Deck game jersey for the Edmonton Oilers, Leon Draisaitl. We have an Upper Deck portraits for the Florida Panthers, Vincent Trocheck. Sorry, I was looking at the back there. There we go. We have an Upper Deck portraits for the Ottawa Senators, Mike Hoffman. We have a Shining Stars for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. We have a Young Guns for the New York Rangers, Philip Chittle. We have a canvas for the Minnesota Wild, Mikko Koivu. We have a Young Guns for the Vegas Golden Knights, Alex Tuch. We have a canvas for the Montreal Canadiens, Paul Byron. We have a Shining Stars red for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. We have a Centennial Standouts for the Edmonton Oilers, Grant Fuhr. We have a Young Guns for the Carolina Hurricanes, Lucas Wallmark. There we go. We have a Centennial Standouts for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. We have a Shining Stars for the Washington Capitals, Alexander Ovechkin. First, we have an Upper Deck Exclusives for the Philadelphia Flyers, Travis Konecny. Numbered out of 100. And we have an Upper Deck Portraits for the New York Islanders, Josh Hosang. And last pack. And we have finally an Upper Deck Portraits for the Philadelphia Flyers, Jakub Voracek. And that concludes the single box break. Congratulations to all the winners. I appreciate you joining my break. But I have one announcement to make. I'm probably going to do a couple of more breaks on eBay. But after that, probably not so much. The eBay fees are just a little bit too much. Getting pretty high. So we're going to be taking a break for basically the month of January. And we're going to have our own website. It's going to be synergysportscollectibles.com, and you can be able to join breaks. I'll be having them posted there. And for now, I encourage, because I'll be doing breaks more and more on Facebook, so I encourage everybody to follow my Facebook page. And I'll give you a look at it here. Follow us on Facebook. This is where I'm going to be announcing more and more breaks, and you'll be able to pay with PayPal. Just the same email address, the synergysportscollectibles@gmail.com. And I would encourage everybody to join or subscribe to our YouTube channel, Synergy Sports Collectibles, to watch more great videos. And I appreciate your business. And have a good afternoon.